Welcome to Hydra Renewable Resources, a new paradigm in waste management. In this short presentation, you will learn how Hydra has designed an integrated waste resource and recovery management system, IWR2M, positioned at the nexus of water, energy, and food, with municipal wastewater processing as the linchpin. We are a unique four-part processing sequence that changes forever the paradigm of municipal waste management. 1. The waste-to-energy unit, a process extracting electricity and diesel fuel from municipal solid waste and from the sludge removed from municipal wastewater. Number 2. The new water utility. The new water utility is a filtering process utilizing continuous backwash upflow medium sand filtration. Number 3. The district heat utility. The district heat utility is a simple process of extracting latent heat from municipal wastewater in a radiator-to-radiator process. Number 4 is the life utility. The life utility, food and drinking water. Watch and we will explain how Hydra creates clean, pure drinking water using nature's natural process. Energy, clean water, district energy, food and drinking water. Integrated waste resource recovery management is a global solution to current processes. Currently, wastewater is treated just enough to permit its release back into the environment, dumped into the ocean, rivers, or lakes. Water is a valuable resource. Current solutions to municipal solid waste, garbage, and construction waste is to bury it and cover out of sight. Integrated waste resource recovery management, all accomplished by Hydra in close cooperation with our government collaborator, without the requirement for any public sector funding or debt guarantees. Hydra's integrated wastewater resource and recovery management. Water, energy, and food. This is an overview of Hydra's integrated wastewater resource and recovery management, IWR2M. First step in the process is preliminary screening. This image shows filters extracting solid waste from the wastewater stream. This proven technology with hundreds of installations throughout the world. Current installations treating flow rates as high as 6,000 liters per second, producing 35% dry solids. Preliminary screening produces sludge with 35% water content. The sludge dryers further remove moisture from the sludge, producing a dry fuel ready for pyrolyzation. Sludge dryers utilize waste heat from the on-site electrical generation system. The last stage in the waste-to-energy extraction process is syngas and diesel production. Dry sludge from wastewater and processed garbage from landfill diversion supply the fuel for this process. This process is called pyrolyzation, and in different forms has been in operation for decades. Advancements in the area of pyrolyzation has created the ability to produce diesel fuel from pyro oil. The byproduct of this process is char. Please note the process of pyrolyzation is emission-free. Electrical generators use syngas as fuel. Syngas is a byproduct of pyrolyzation. Exhaust heat from the power generation is used in the sludge dryers. Part 2 of our waste recovery system is water filtration. Water leaving the preliminary screener enters the CBUM sand filters. All municipal wastewater is treated to the highest standard and is ready for industrial reuse. CBUM filtering technology was developed in Norway 70 years ago and is employed extensively in Europe, North America, and Asia. Components are pre-manufactured and modular and will be assembled on site. Treated water quality, high treatment standards. The water quality exceeds the most stringent international standards. First stage treated water reuse is ideally suited for irrigation, animal husbandry, grey water plumbing, industrial cooling, manufacturing, and virtually all industrial processes. CBUM filtration footprint is just 6,500 square feet per million gallons per day, or 600 square meters to filter 4 million liters per day. Hydra offers and proposes the complete IWRM process under one roof. The system is fully enclosed, odors eliminated. Buildings can be designed to fit in a residential environment. Hydra will meet its own electrical needs, and excess electricity will be sold back to the grid. Part 3. The district energy utility. Part 3 of Hydra's IWR2M system is heat recovery. Public wastewater contains heat. We extract the heat from the waste stream in a heat exchanger process. Heat pumps boost the temperature to a useful heat source for industrial or residential consumers. An installation of Huber heat exchangers in a radiator-to-radiator exchange of latent energy in processed water. Number 4 in the process, the life utility, water and food. Treated, cleaned, disinfected water is piped a few meters to on-site coolhouse greenhouses. Coolhouse greenhouses allow the growing of food products in arid, hot climates, producing sellable urban food crops, producing 45 kilograms per square meter annually, creating food security for many nations. Proprietary technology integrated into our greenhouse gives the operator of an IWR2M facility the ability to produce life-giving, clean, potable water from natural transpiration, all the while producing valuable food crops, generating employment, sustenance, food security, and profit. Notice the picture: 45-degree outside temperature, inside temperature at an ideal growing temperature of 30 degrees. Naturally, the use of this component in an IWR2M facility is dependent on geographical location and climate. Fresh water in many countries is in critical short supply. Valuable fresh water is currently discharged at a rate of over 25 million cubic meters per hour. This partially treated or untreated water enters rivers, oceans, lakes, or wetlands. Hydra will enable the reuse of safe, clean, fresh water for agricultural needs and create food security. A key element of Hydra's capacity lies in the strength of the formal partnerships that have been secured to facilitate project design and implementation throughout the world. Hydra's project management, design, and FM partners are as follows. MACE is Hydra's worldwide project and construction management partner. MACE is an international consultancy and construction company focused on project management, cost consultancy, construction, delivery, and facilities management. Hydra Consulting is Hydra's principal design partner responsible for wastewater engineering design. Foreman Roberts is Hydra's principal design partner responsible for all energy and sustainability engineering design. DLA Design is Hydra's principal design partner responsible for green and sustainable architectural design at the core of each project. Water. We use it once and throw it away. In an age that strives for sustainability, it is a habit we can no longer afford. Hydra transforms this outmoded paradigm of waste management. Municipalities employ the public purse to finance their waste management operations. Hydra substitutes with a green, robust, and naturally sustainable undertaking, harvesting the resources that have always been natural components of our waste streams. Hydra's proprietary integrated waste resource and recovery management system replaces the traditional financial millstone with substantial earnings while vesting our municipal partner with an attractive revenue stream. IWR2M is a model organized, financed, and managed from the private sector in close collaboration with our municipal partner. It is a vigorous enterprise, a profit center that generates wealth rather than debt. While substantially reducing the burden upon ratepayers, it ensures that the financial, public service, and environmental needs of the municipality are not simply met, but exceeded. We encourage questions and inquiries. Please contact Hydra at info@hydraresources.com. Thank you for watching.